As I woke up this morning and looked in the mirror, the message that I saw couldn't get any clearer. The one conclusion of what defines me is everything I am is a great thing to be. That people who judge you don't matter, and so I feel like those who loved you won't chatter. Long as I know you take me for me, 'cause everything I am is a great thing to be. Never seen anyone who looks a thing like me, but still I'm never shy, because I know it's all about what's up inside. We got the rhythm, got the music in us. It never really mattered what breed we are. We're little, we're round, we're different. So here's a little ditty about acceptance. Whoever you are, wherever you live, whatever you look like, whatever it is, the person you see is just a scene. All of the good stuff is everything. This is the moment of truth. I give it all I got with no additional proof. I put my cards on the table and deal. In other words, only worry about what's real. 'Cause people say this and people say that, but I've been being Chris ever since way back. And maybe if you focus you can get like me, 'cause everything you are is a great thing to be.